Okay, hello everybody. We have been asked to do an unboxing video for this FM transmitter, so we're going to go ahead and start. Was sent to us through Amazon, so let's take a look at what's inside. Victsing wireless FM transmitter. Alright, it says it supports hands-free, 2 music playing modes, so it'll be interesting to see. Fast charge, interesting. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up here. Alright, so we paused just a moment so we could use our second hand. So what was in our box here? We have an FAQ. Looks good. Extended 12-month warranty here, probably if we register. And looks like a user manual. And of course the piece that everyone's been waiting for. The FM transmitter itself. Alright, so as you can see, hopefully here, we've got a back and forward button, a couple different channel buttons, a call button, and it looks like a button for lights. And it looks like we have a quick charge 3 port and a regular charge and music port. So I guess the next thing to do is take this out to the truck and plug it in and see what to do with it. Alright, so we're out in the truck here and we've just plugged it in, and as you can see here we've got some different colored lights here. Pushing on that RGB button there does change those to whatever color you'd seem to like. And I think off as well. There we go, off. And you'll notice we haven't connected the Bluetooth yet, so we're going to go ahead and stop the video for just a moment and connect to Bluetooth. Okay, so we are right back. It did show up as BH442, and it, just like anything else you'd connect to Bluetooth, it just connected right up. Alright, so now we've got a Bluetooth connection to this device. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can get this going here. So a little hard to see, but we'll try to zoom in here. It says 108.0. That's not going to quite work for us here, so we're going to have to go ahead and change that channel. Alright, so we hit the channel AB button for just a second there, and it goes into this flashing mode where you can actually select your channel. We're going to go ahead and do oops, we're out of that mode here. 107.5 sounds good to me. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing here on our radio. And let's try to play something and see what we have. Okay, so we have gone ahead and connected to 107.5 here. Just to kind of give you an option here, we're about, I don't know, 2/3 of the way up here on our volume, This dial will adjust your volume all the way up to 30 and all the way down, of course, to 0. What I have found so far is that turning it up almost all the way, it's a little bit low volume-wise, but it does certainly play. So kudos there. It is Bluetooth connected, so that's awesome. We're going to go ahead and just for grins here, plug this in to our quick charge, and indeed it is charging the phone here as we talk. So overall, looks pretty good. Pretty solid aluminum looking construction here. Looks like we got 2 charging ports. Haven't really tested the call feature, but for sure it does connect to Bluetooth correctly. We can change channels to whatever channel we want. I assume here that we have some forward and back controls here that we haven't tested out yet, but overall works pretty well. A little bit low volume, but kind of expect that for one of these adapters. So, but overall a pretty good product. Thanks for watching, and if you purchase one, let me know what you think.